Another exciting feature of our new website is the Members Forums. This is a message board system that lets members post different topics and respond to one another. In this video, we will show you how to access the member forums, the layout of the forums, how to make a post, how to respond to a post, how to change or delete a post, and finally, how to use their email system. To access the forums, return to your main members menu page. From the Launchpad, find the forums icon and click it to go to our forums page. Before we start exploring the forums, please note that we have forum guidelines in place to ensure that everyone has a positive experience. If you plan to use the forums, please click on the button to read these guidelines. These guidelines are in place to ensure respectful interaction, respect for copyrights and member privacy, as well as to ensure that the forums are used for its intended purposes. By using these forums, you agree to abide by these guidelines. Scrolling down below, you will see our member forums, which are divided into 5 main areas. The first is a general forum. This is where you can post a personal introduction, as well as any help questions you might have. Next is our EAL discussion forum. Here you can discuss all things EAL. As interest and discussions grow, we will be adding new subboards to this area. Below this is our sector-specific discussion forum. As the name implies, these message boards are categorized according to the various sectors within BC TEAL. While there are generally no restrictions to accessing these boards, they are designed with specific sector members or sector-specific discussions in mind. The only exception is our supporting institutions discussion board, which is restricted to, you guessed it, supporting institutions. Fourth is our EAL resources forum. In this forum, members are encouraged to both share and request resources that may help in their teaching or practice. Please be sure to respect all copyright rules when using this board. Finally, we have a classified ads forum where members can post items they want to buy, sell, or trade. These boards are for personal purposes only. For job postings, please place an ad through our job board. For each message board, you will also see a set of checkboxes to the left. These are labeled Opt-in and Daily Digest. This is to receive emails of the message board activity. By opting in, you will receive an email notification every time someone posts a new topic. This is very helpful if you're monitoring a particular topic and want to be notified of responses. However, if you prefer to keep your emails at a minimum, then you can choose the Daily Digest. This means you will only receive one digest email per day containing all the activity on that forum. And if you don't want to be notified by email at all, simply make sure all the checkboxes are unchecked. Making a post is a fairly straightforward process. First, decide on the message board you want to post in, and then click the Add Topic button to start a new topic. Enter a topic name as well as the body of your post. You can also add an attachment if you wish. Once that is complete, click Post. This will now take you to a page where it asks if you want to send an email to opt-ins or don't send an email. By clicking the Send Email, everyone who is opted in to this message board will receive an email, either right away or through the Daily Digest. If you don't want to notify people of the post, then click on the Don't Send Email, and your post is up. People can now click to read your post as well as reply. Replying to a post is also fairly straightforward. Select the post you wish to reply to. In this case, I will select the topic that we just posted. Then click on the Reply to Topic button. You can now type in your response and click Post when completed. You will notice that for replies, the system does not prompt you to send an email. This is only for the original post, or what the system refers to as a topic. When replying, you might want to quote someone's response. To do so, find the post you want to quote and click on the Quote button on the right. This will open up a window to respond, but you will see the post quoted above. Click Post to post your response. Sometimes you may wish to edit your posts. To do this, select the pencil icon next to your post. This will open up a window where you can make edits to your entry. When you are done, click Change Entry. Your post is now edited. If you want to delete your post, you can do so by selecting the X icon on the right. The system will ask for confirmation, and selecting Delete will remove your post. It is interesting to note that if you started a topic, the original topic post cannot be deleted but only changed. If you wish to remove your topic, you will need to contact an administrator to do so. You can do this by sending a request to info@bcteal.org. Another option is to edit your post and simply remove what you had originally posted. To return to the board list, click on the Board List link on the top left. You can also return to the main menu by clicking the Main Menu link or by clicking on the Members Area button on the top right. So now that you know how to use the Members Forum, why don't you go to the Introductions board and post a quick introduction to the BCTEAL community? Or read and respond to someone else's introduction.